6 Crown and sorry about that. Welcome to my place loadout video. Now, do you know that my place loadout does not have a primary weapon? This used to be my primary weapon, but it's now my ghillie loadout primary weapon, so obviously that won't work. But so it's only right now sight on. That's all it is, and of course it kind of gives it away. But so what should I start with? I guess I'll start with the least important. Well, sort of least important. What I'm wearing. Got boots. Just general boots I'll be using. Nothing too special about them, whatsoever. Just leather. Junk. Next, my police vest, which also knows as my show and tell of my badges. This is a condo vest. Yes, there's paint on this, I know. Respect. So pretty much here I'm gonna have these like that, because I want to represent who I am. Represent. Probably couldn't see it anyways, but then I can my sketch and sidearms pass like there, flag. Let's go. I have to go right there. And of course, last but not least, that's gonna have to go right there. Obviously, that's right there. This there and this right there. Represent. Oh, if I really wanted to, I could put them on here. But probably not. Pull this back. Yes, I did get the buttons from Comic-Con if you guys are wondering. So I got a whole bunch more. But what I have here is a police sign. It is perfectly legal. I got it from my Airsoft website. It is just my police law is just for Airsoft purposes only. I am not trying to impersonate a police officer. Now you know how that's illegal, and I do not do it. So that's my disclaimers right there. As you can tell, it is puffed out. Oh, we're going to get that. My 1911 holster. So Black Hawk holster. I have this like that. It'll be cocked. And it'll be in there. My grenade will also be right there. If I can get it in. The grenade's a bit tricky to get in because of where everything's placed. So that looks like that. Still want to get a new light for that. Now, before this was just nothing inside, but now I have installed. I met a guy in Kijiji who gave me, for $30, I got a whole set of dummy plates. Nothing too special, it's just that, but still works really well, I have to say. let's give weight. Now, as you can tell, I had to cut mine because it was just too big. Now what I'm planning on doing is filling it up with this stuff, great stuff. Filling this inside, then I'm gonna close this up just like that and melting it so it's perfect, so it stays like that. Right now it's just a filling little thing. But I go in the back. That's that. That's my vest. I didn't know how to plate my pants here, so I can't show you that. What I can show you is everybody's favorite thing. Everybody wants to like claim it's not legal and all that stuff. It is my utility belt. Now disclaimer, this is only for airsoft purposes. I already checked, it's perfectly legal in my country. In my province. Checked with my with the Calgary Police Service. Say it's perfectly fine, it's used for airsoft. That's it. Don't, if we catch you not using outside of airsoft, then you'll get in trouble. But going over it on there. It's not from the left side, I guess. I got a flashlight, high beam, strobe, and then if I can activate it, which is I can't activate it, it is a low beam, which I'll never use. So that came with the pouch. That was $70, so $60. Prices would be on board. Black Arc Coastal, $50 plus taser, $30. This is my rubber knife. I love Black Arc. You see all my holsters are Black Arc, except my Evolve one. This is a Stallion. It's actually supposed to be made for 1911, but I was working for a Glock, but I sort of worked for a Glock. It's a Glock. Flip to that. If I get another Glock. So then, yeah. Silent key holder. I can keep all my keys and all that stuff in there. That was $50. That was $30. Handcuffs. These are police handcuffs. It's handcuffs. $70 for the handcuffs. I know, expensive handcuffs. So here, another $30. This is Uncle Mike's chemical spray agent. That was awesome. Gun lubrication, speed loader holder, silencer holder. Not much of a lubricating holder. So, battery holder. Next, Antex Club Performance, $30 again. Nothing new. Black Arc Coastal, $50. Oh, by the way, the other horse, my 1911 hostel, $80. So, this is the Airsoft hostel made specifically for Block 18s. Just want to let everybody know that. That's this. Last but not least, C-Tac, hostel, my revolver. But that is pretty, I think, everything for my police loadout. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in. I did my ghillie suit loadout, my mock pad, my water can. So, see you guys then.